Hi, this is lesson 31 where we are doing word problems about comparing the practice set. And we have 3 problems. And as you look in the box, I've written them out. They're pretty simple, but you need to read the problems to make sure that you have set them up correctly. Our first problem is A, and where it says 43 is how much greater than 27? 43 is how much more than 27? And so this is how we've set this up. We take our 43 and we subtract 27 from it. And because 3 minus 7 is not going to work, we've got to regroup. And hopefully my pen decides to work. 3, and we say 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 43 is 16 more than 27. Our next problem is Marcia had 42 CDs. Frank has 22 CDs. How many fewer CDs does Frank have? So Frank has 22. He wants to know how many less than Marcia he has. So we say 42 minus 22. Very straightforward. Don't you love math problems like this? 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. So Frank has 20 fewer than whatever her name is, Marcella. And our last one is Caesar had 53 shells. Juanita had 95 shells. How many more shells did Juanita have? And so we have this set up. We take 95 and we subtract 53 from 95. And so 5 minus 3 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. So Juanita had 42 more shells. And there you have it. I wish you well on the homework or practice or whatever you want to call it. It's good. Have a good one.